Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new to crypto and you want to learn from the beginning, then this video is for you. Today, we will answer some very important questions. What is cryptocurrency? Why was it created? How does it work? Is it safe? And why are millions of people investing in it? So, watch this video until the end because everything will be explained in simple English. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's start. Imagine you want to send money to your friend in another country. Normally, the money goes through a bank. The bank checks the transaction, charges fees, and sometimes the transfer takes several days. Now imagine sending money directly to your friend without using a bank. This is one of the biggest ideas behind cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only on the internet. You cannot hold it in your hand like paper money. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by a person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Until today, nobody knows the real identity of Satoshi. Bitcoin was created after the financial crisis of 2008. The goal was to create a payment system that does not depend on banks or governments. Instead of one company controlling the system, thousands of computers around the world work together to keep it running. This makes the network decentralized. Now let's understand blockchain. Many beginners hear this word but find it confusing. Think of a notebook. Every time someone sends Bitcoin, the transaction is written in the notebook. When one page becomes full, a new page is added. Each page is connected to the previous page. These pages are called blocks. The connected pages together form the blockchain. The blockchain keeps a permanent record of every transaction. Because thousands of computers have the same record, it is extremely difficult to change or cheat the system. That is why blockchain is considered secure. Now let's talk about wallets. A crypto wallet is not like the wallet in your pocket. It does not actually store your coins. Instead, it stores the private keys that give you access to your cryptocurrency. Think of your private key as the key to your house. If someone gets your key, they can enter your house. The same is true for crypto. If someone gets your private key or your recovery phrase, they can steal your cryptocurrency. So never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Next, let's understand crypto exchanges. A crypto exchange is a platform where people buy and sell cryptocurrency. On an exchange, you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other coins. The price changes every second because buyers and sellers are constantly placing orders. Now let's talk about trading. Trading means buying an asset at one price and trying to sell it later at a better price. But trading is not gambling. Successful traders do not depend on luck. They study charts. They manage risk. They control emotions. And they follow a trading plan. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is investing money they cannot afford to lose. Never do that. Only invest money that you can afford to lose. Risk management is more important than finding the perfect strategy. Another mistake is FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. When people see the price going up quickly, they buy without a plan. Many times, the price falls soon after. Professional traders avoid emotional decisions. They wait patiently for good opportunities. Remember this, patience is one of the most valuable skills in trading. Now, is cryptocurrency safe? The technology itself is very secure. However, scammers exist. Never trust people who promise guaranteed profits. If someone says you will double your money in a few days, that is a major warning sign. There is no trading strategy that wins all the time. Every investment carries risk. Education is your best protection.